AFS is walking into an opportunity right now to be a better version of itself.
We're about to join two titans that can unite and conquer this whole industry.
We want to make sure that the men and women at this company have the opportunity to grow, to be better people, to be better professionals, better husbands and wives and fathers and mothers.
And give everyone in this room an opportunity to go to whatever level they want to go to.
Thinking about that, this is an extreme opportunity.
But what we will do is invest in training, development, leadership, growth, open new offices.
We have a relentless need to improve. Every man and woman in this room is always trying to get to that next level. Are you ready to go to the next level?
We don't care about being the first. We don't care about being the biggest. We want to be the best. In the middle of a pandemic, our competitors are hiding. They're retreating. We are not stopping.
This is the group that is the ultimate partnership. And I mean that with all my heart.
We believe that something needs to happen in this country that allows us to have a national foundation services business. And the AFS team and the Groundworks team will be the catalyst to make that evolutionary history.
This is the best decision we've ever made at AFS.